Hello guys and welcome to today's video. I'm going to introduce you the most beginner-friendly way that is possible to start your Go High Level journey in 2025. I think this update to ChatGPT made everything so much easier. You don't need any money to start, and you don't need any tech skills or experience or coding skills to start. This is the way that I would sign my first 5 clients, because it's easy, it's effective, and it's if you have time and if you put in the hours, you are going to see your first results. And that is was the most important in the beginning, to not give up, to see some results. Because in my journey, I will make a video on it, but was really hard in the beginning to keep up with the work and stay motivated. And I'm giving you this for free in this video, so stay tuned. Alright, let's open ChatGPT, and there is this new update that you can search on web, and I'm going to give it that give me a list of 20 UK-based gardener who does not have a website. Link every one of them here in order. I need their business profile link. Let's see. Alright, there was some misunderstanding with the ChatGPT. I said to him, give me 5 lawnmowers with no website in London. Alright, then he directed me to this website. And as you can see, there are a lot of lawnmowers who are already making money and have their business running, and they don't have a website. They are on like this AirTasker job finder or something like that, and you can actually call them or have an email written to them, and you have to reach out to these businesses to build a website. Normally it costs like $1,000 for a business to have a simple website, a basic one. But in our case, you are not going to price it for $1,000. You are going to do this for them for like $400 or $300. This is going to be a Trojan horse, and you are going to upsell your software services to them. And after they have tried your website and everything works smoothly, you either can have a website hosting free for like $100, let's say, or you can upsell them and other software tools, because they trust you. You have actually did a good job for them. And as I said earlier, you don't need any experience with Go High Level. This is the software that I'm using. You just click on a new website and you select a template, and we are going to check for loan services. As you can see, everything is built out, and you just have to change the logo, and you can sell this website to like 50 businesses. You don't have to change anything, maybe the colors or the pictures. You actually can make these websites look better. I'm going to make a video on it. You can put like moving GIFs and moving videos here, which gives this website a more professional look, and you can sell them for like $2,000 or even higher. I've actually done it, so I'm speaking from experience. And you are going to put their company phone, assistance hour, and their email to the bottom of this website. And you might ask what type of softwares can you upsell to these businesses, and there are also automations already built out just for you. And as you can see, there are a lot of templates already built out. For example, missed call text back. Let's see. You just tap on select, and it's actually call missed call text back. So if a business cannot answer the phone, you are going to automate this process for them, and you are going to send an SMS to their customer, which which helps conversion, and businesses love it. I've actually had people really thank me for this idea for them, because small businesses a lot of time don't have a lot of time. You can either start from scratch, which is a bit more advanced, but I actually have a free course on it, so you can check that out. Or there are some other tools like appointment booking. You can send review requests, which is really important for small businesses because it helps their ranking on Google. I'm actually doing it for a lot of businesses, and it is really great because you can filter out the reviews that only 5-star reviews are going to be shown, and also it is helping them get more reviews and helping them rank on the first page on the Google. Or you can even do like a free trial, a 7-day or 14-day, which helps building trust to them. And after that, you can sell them features. There are some AI bots, which is new, or conversation AI that let me show you. Migrate to. There is a conversation AI v2, and with these bots, you can actually train it for specifically the business, and it can answer SMS, Instagram, Facebook DMs. It is actually very good for bigger companies too, because it has a live chat function, and it actually can speak directly with different kind of people at the same time. So it's really great. Businesses love it. And you might ask, how can I get clients? Where can I find them? Or how to do the meetings? How to prepare for it? How to use this software if you are advanced, or how to get to the next level? How to scale your business? How to have a mindset that you're going to keep up with everything you say and achieve your next life with this Go High level as I have. Actually, I've built out just for you guys a free course on it. When you join my group, there is like a client acquisition course, which is really a detailed one, and it helps you with all the methods. It is really detailed. You get private messages, friends and acquaintances. This is for beginners, for warm leads, email, and also phone, Facebook groups, walking persons. It is a really detailed client acquisition, and you're going to get more clients than you can handle. Also the meeting part, the client retention. If you sign up with my link, you're going to get a whole course on Go High level from A to Z, how to start an agency and how to scale it to $10,000 per month. In the beginning it was also impossible for me to imagine having that kind of money in recurring revenue in every month, working like 2 hours a day, but it is. And also you get mindset training, and I've actually done this SMMA and SES course just for you guys. I hope you found this video very valuable, and I ask for you to like and subscribe, and also make a comment on what type of videos would you like to see. Do you want like personal stories in my journey, or just informative videos to high level, or about my group, or yes,